How to use federal laws that defeat HOAs. Section 1. The real problem with HOA power. HOAs often act like government agencies, but they are not. They only have the powers written into their governing documents in state and federal law. Many fines and threats rely on fear, not lawful authority. This creates stress and confusion for homeowners who think they have no options. Section 2. How fines become invalid. HOAs cannot invent fines. A fine must come from a published, board-approved fee schedule adopted before the violation. If the HOA cannot produce the written schedule and proof it was properly approved, the fine can be void. Process matters more than the accusation itself. Section 3. Limits of HOA rulemaking. HOAs may only enforce rules that are clearly authorized in the recorded covenants and restrictions tied to the property. If a rule is not specifically allowed in those documents, it cannot be enforced. Acting outside this scope exposes the HOA to legal risk. Section 4. Federal law changes the balance. Federal housing law prohibits selective enforcement and harassment. If an HOA targets one household while ignoring similar behavior by others, this can trigger federal scrutiny. In some cases, board members can face personal liability, not just organizational consequences. Section 5. State oversight and practical action. Many states provide an HOA oversight office or ombudsman. These offices can investigate complaints, demand records, and force mediation. This shifts power away from unchecked boards and creates accountability. Knowing these tools turns fear into control. Section 6. The key takeaway. HOAs depend on compliance through intimidation. Federal law, proper procedure, and oversight exist to protect homeowners. Understanding the rules exposes weak enforcement, restores balance, and allows lawful action instead of emotional reaction.